What does it mean to you? I'll start with the older gentleman.
Yeah, I've been a real fan of hockey for eons, years and years and years, and we've been winning hockey golds. And from 1980, Bhaskaran's team, which won it. Thereafter, we've been having disappointments, but we've been eternal hockey fans. And this back-to-back winning, two in Tokyo and now, is unbelievable. And we are great cricket fans, you know. We went to Barbados for the T20 World Cup final, and the one Surya's great catch and winning, but this beats it all. And
This beats the Cricket World Cup win
of
for
course,
you.
any time. This is a world sport at the world field. I mean, beating Afghanistan and then beating those USA it's a different joke.
Okay.
Also for me, because
For you as well, bigger than the Cricket World
yeah,
Cup win.
also
this
because
bronze.
I've never really seen us win at any sport apart from cricket. I mean, of course, in his generation, we used to win at hockey, right? We won in '80. I think we won a lot of gold medals before that. But for me, we've only won recently. We won the bronze in 2021 and now. And honestly, for this Olympic especially, because we've been coming fourth so much, this means so much more as well. And because it's a
And
second
after
consecutive
Vinesh,
one.
you know, the disappointment of
Yeah.
Vinesh,
This
this
means
is
so
a
much.
real, I'm hats off to the hockey team. Harman was outstanding, the two goals. He really lifted spirits. We were really down and out yesterday. We had the Vinesh's hockey final tickets.
Yeah.
We couldn't go.
Yeah.
And then we said, Aman Sharawat, why we'll come for this.
Yeah,
But hockey is just great.
it's the first love for Indian sport, and I hope that it continues to be forever.
All
because
right,
it's-
thank
it
you,
means so
thank you,
much.
thank you so much for joining us, and really well summed up. You know, just letting you know what it really means for fans here. This gentleman was there in Barbados. I was there too. India won the World Cup, but for him, this bronze medal notch higher.
It's even
Chuck
better.
Day, India. I mean, one of
Yeah.
the greatest moments of my life.
Yeah, it's, yeah.
And
You win it in
I saw the
Olympics.
2011 World Cup final in Mumbai as well.
Yeah.
Both of us saw.
Yeah,
He was a
both
little
of us,
boy.
yeah.
But this,
Even greater than that.
Of course, this happens.
Cricket is,
cricket is a great sport, but
and we love
yeah,
cricket.
we
It's
love
not that
cricket.
we don't love cricket. That's why we went to all these places. But
You know,
Olympics
Nikhil,
was
it's
one
like
of
in
This is our
films.
heritage.
the
and
2012
You know,
Olympics
Nikhil,
was
like
very
it is
good,
in
but
films,
this
you have
is
cricket,
brilliantly
which is the
organized.
glitz
It's
glamour of
well designed.
Bollywood,
Preeti
and you
wants to say
have
something.
hockey, which is the art cinema, it seems. And you love both.
Yeah, okay. Preeti's got an interesting analogy there. That you know, is cricket the Bollywood and hockey the art cinema? You love both. There can be people who can love both.
In fact, this is the Lapata Ladies. If you've seen that movie,
Yes, I have.
It's one of the great movies. And cricket is like Akshay Kumar. What's that great?
whatever.
That
Welcome or something.
Bagam
Bagam
Bag.
Bag,
This is
something
Bagam Bag versus
Like,
this
yeah,
thing.
yeah.
Of course, obviously Bagam Bag was a blockbuster. I don't know if Lapata Ladies was one, but the movie was better.
Yeah. Lapata Lady did very well in metros, in big towns. But yeah.
No, but it's a great movie, I'm saying.
Yes,
The movie
brilliant,
was great.
brilliant.
Bagam Bag, maybe he likes the Bagam
Okay,
Bag.
well, before we get into a filmy discussion, it's back to you, Preeti.
Well, you know, have fun, Nikhil, and thank you.